Look what I got. The flexible flyer. Exact same sled I had when I was a kid. My brother Will had the Yankee Clipper. I had the flexible flyer, and we used to race down 4th Street here in town all winter long. We were kids. And he moved into his house, and what was hanging in the garage of the house he bought? A Yankee Clipper. So what did he do? He went out and found me the flexible flyer. So we are going to continue our racing down 4th Street. And yes, we might be into our 30s now, and or 40s or 50s, whatever it is. But we're going to continue that, and we are going to go racing. But meanwhile, I got to find a place to hang this or do something with it because I can't just have it laying around the shop and get dirty. So I'm going to make a hanger out of some scrap steel that I have laying around. And I just thought I'd show you a quick, easy way to make a hanger. You can use it for ladders. I've actually made one already for a ladder. I'll show it to you. Just out of scrap laying around, so I'm not spending any money that hasn't already been spent. So let's get to it. All right, here's some scrap steel I have. I'm just gonna I'll use this. I'll cut some of the round bits off of that, and I'll probably use this as a mount. I'll probably cut 6-7 inches off of that thing. Here it is, complete with booger welds. Not nearly enough heat. Didn't even make the backside hot. Welder was set up for MIG, and this sled weighs, I don't know, 4 or 5 pounds. I didn't feel like changing the wire over, so I just went with it because I have to use the welder later for some sheet metal stuff. But I can squeeze as hard as I can. It's not going to break. If I was making this for something heavy, I would have welded it up better, but it's fine for this. So I think what I'm going to do is put it, there you can see one of the hangers I made for that ladder, and there's another one for this ladder, but I think we're going to hang the sled directly on that wall. This just goes down into my basement. So I think I'm just going to hang it right up there. All right, it's out of the way. Well, that's it. Easy one. Hope you got something out of it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.